Hey everybody, welcome to the Fun Kids Toys channel. Today we're going to do a special unboxing on the Play-Doh Ice Pops and Cones freezer pack. I'm so excited to open this because I love Play-Doh. So taking a look at the outside of the box, it's just a yellow rectangle and we're going to see what's inside. Along the way we're also going to learn colors. Okay, here we go. So when we open it up, right off the bat, we can see that it looks just like an ice box. We've got this cute little Play-Doh guy looking in the window, probably deciding what he's gonna pick to eat. And we've got some ice pops, an ice cream cone, and we can see frost all along the glass, and it's freezing over. So it really feels like it's truly cold inside this box. It does feel like opening your freezer. So we're gonna just take a look at the packaging that they have. All right, now let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh wow, this looks so cool. Look at all these bright colors. All right, so it's really set up just like a freezer. Let's take a look at the first one. Okay, so this has gotta be one of the ice pops. These are so adorable, I love these. This one is pink on the top and blue on the bottom. Let's see what's next. Oh, my favorite, a dreamsicle. So this one is orange on the bottom and white on the top. It looks real. It is so cute. If you look closely, you can see underneath that there's even a grate, just like you would have in a real freezer. So this one is yellow on top and pink on the bottom. They also come along with these red ice pop holders, just like you would use if you made your own at home. And it's textured like as if it were wooden. This one is red on top and white on the bottom. So these are also Play-Doh holders that can keep your Play-Doh airtight, and they're also molds, so you can put the Play-Doh in there, and then when you take it out, it's going to be shaped just like an ice pop. Let's take a look at the ice cream cones I have in here. Oh, this is so cute. So this one's got a little cone, like a sugar cone bottom, and it's textured just like a real one would. And then if you look on the bottom, there's a little mold to make a cherry, so you could put some like red Play-Doh in there and then make your cherry and put it right on top. That's adorable. This one's pink and green, and it's got, you know, the traditional tan sugar cone base. That is so cute. All right, so this one is like a lavender and a white. That is really nice. This one is blue and yellow. It's also got the mold on the bottom. And the last one is a dark pink on the left and a light pink on the right. So this packaging is just so cool because it's something that you can store all your Play-Doh in, and it goes perfectly with the theme. It's just like a real freezer box. Okay, next up we're gonna go ahead and open up this box. I kind of mentioned that it has nice artwork on the inside, but I wanted to show you guys what it really looks like because it is so cool. So I'm just pulling down the sides of the box so you can see here, but there's, it's lined all the way around with different flavors and color combinations of ice cream cones and ice pops, and it just really makes the feel of it like you are really looking in a freezer. It's got the racks in the back. If you move this out, you can see it's set up exactly like your ice box at home would be. All right, so next up, we're gonna take each of these out of the wrappers and see what's inside. Okay. Here we go. All right, first off, the pink and blue one. Okay, so that clicks right into place. You can take it out, and then it's just a perfect little container to hold your Play-Doh. It's got a beautiful, vibrant pink and blue color. It looks like with the Play-Dohs you could probably mix and match the different colors to make different combinations of ice pops. I'll just mix that up. Oh, this is really nice. The dough is really soft and feels really fresh. Okay, now I'm going to fill it up again. See if it will go right back into the mold just right. I love that new Play-Doh feel. All right, there we go. Put it right back into its holder. It's good to go. Okay, now we're gonna go through and open up the other ones. This one is set up just like my favorite kind of popsicle, which is a dreamsicle. So it's vanilla on top and orange on the bottom. So we've got the color white on top and orange underneath. Set that down there. Take a look at the other ones. Okay, so this one could probably be like a strawberry lemonade flavor, you could imagine. It's got yellow on top for lemons and pink on the bottom for strawberries. What's next? Oh, this is probably like a cherry vanilla. Red on top and white on the bottom. Okay, we're gonna move on to the ice cream cones. These are just absolutely adorable. I love these. Not sure what flavor that would be. Probably like a mint and a maybe strawberry, maybe cherry. Not sure, but it's very cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take the wrapper off of this and see what's inside. Oh, okay. So if we take a look at this, it looks like this comes off. Okay, so there you go. Oh, and more surprises. So when you look inside, it's the holder for the Play-Doh. But there's also a surprise star mold in there. So you can press Play-Doh into this and make the star shape if you want to. It looks like you could also fill up the cone all the way with different flavors if you wanted to do that. All right, that's adorable. And then once again, it does have the cherry stamp right on the bottom. All right, so we're moving on to lavender and white. So this is the lavender side, and this is the white side. So you could imagine that that's probably vanilla and probably like a grape flavor. And this one also has the star mold. So if you wanted to highlight your Play-Doh decorations, you could just put some Play-Doh in there, make a star, and then use that to like top off an ice cream cone or to make it more fancy. So this one is a beautiful baby blue and a nice bright neon yellow. So you could imagine that that's lemonade, and I'm not sure what blue flavor would be. Maybe blueberry? I'm not sure. Okay, let's see. I'm kind of like hoping that there would be other shapes inside, like other molds, but I'm guessing it's a star. Let's see. Yep, it's a star. Okay, that is adorable. All right, and then the last ice cream cone, we've got magenta and pink. So we're gonna take a look and get the wrapper off of this one. Okay, and once again, it's got the star mold. So these are ready to be played with. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and play with one of them. I'm gonna pick the blue and yellow one. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and take the Play-Doh out. It's really sticking in there, but the Play-Doh feels so soft. Oh, this feels great. It's really smooth. All right, so let's make our ice cream cone. Okay, we're gonna put it into the little holder. And then we're gonna get another color of Play-Doh to do the decorations. Take it out of the ice pop. We're using the blue and the pink. And we're gonna go ahead and use the star mold for one of our decorations. Just push it right in there. If we can get it out. It came out just fine. Trim off the edges. And made a perfect little star shape. It's so cute. And then we can go ahead and decorate the top of our ice cream cone with that. This is just an adorable little blueberry and lemonade flavored ice cream cone with a cute little pink star on top. Okay, and then we'll just decorate one more popsicle. We're gonna do the dreamsicle since that's my favorite. We're gonna leave that in the container and we're gonna create a little cherry to go on top. So I got a little of the pink and blue dough. And then we're gonna use the bottom mold from one of the ice cream cones. Push it in there. See if we can get it out. Came out just fine. A perfect little cherry. And then we'll just add it to the top of our dreamsicle. So you could probably decorate all of your popsicles and ice cream cones with lots of stars and cherries. In lots of different colors, and I think that this is a wonderful Play-Doh set for a kid's party. If you were playing outside in the summertime and you wanted to pretend to sell ice cream or popsicles. And I also was thinking that you could take these different colors out and put in new colors to make lots of different color combinations. And you could also use this as like a party favor for a kid's ice cream themed party. So you could give these to your friends. Okay, so I hope you had fun playing with us today and exploring the Play-Doh ice cream set. And we'll see you around on our next episode of the Fun Kids Toys channel.